Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. So this car, we checked it before. We have a lot of codes on it. And now, you say if you want to move it, you cut off. Let me see. You see? You see the car have some hesitation, but no check engine light. This is the whole car that we did the last time we come here. We have 3 codes: power control module, anti-brake system, restraint. But here, fuel cutoff, drive belt, fuel cutoff code. Okay, let me go back to diagnose again and see what is the option. I don't see no check engine light, you see. Diagnose, auto scan. I want to scan the whole car. 10%. This is a very fast system. Airbag, I have no problem. Body control. Wow. Engine control module, no codes. Which is very strange. Let me see the report. The car is 2 times. Seat belt. Oh, fuel cut-off event. What is a fuel cut-off event? Fuel cut-off event. This problem here. Let me search it. Okay, so this one we just have to reset it after an accident. Let me see now. How are you going to do that? This will not affect the drivability of the car, but I will do that. So I don't believe the fuel cutoff event have anything, but I will look at this. How to fix it. If it doesn't work, let me see it now. This is one video. I'm gonna look at it and then see what happened. I'll let you know what you need to do. So I don't see no cutoff, no codes, no check engine light, nothing. I wanna go back. I wanna deal with fuel cutoff sensor information. We go to history. Okay, here we have 6 codes. This is one. Wiper, driver seat belt, all this leave it. Configuration, function mismatch. I just need B19 1492. So I'm gonna go back. Go to hard function. SRS. Airbag reset. You see this? This can't finish that problem. I'm going to do the auto scan. Okay, restraint before I have 3 codes, now I have only 2 codes. Let me show you something. Let me go for the report, it's better. Report before I have 6 fault, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not there. You see restraint, driver seat belt anchor, body control, wiper, FCDIM front control display interface, air conditioner heating. There is nothing there, so maybe it crash. Okay, maybe that code can create a glitch to shut down the car, who knows. We're gonna leave it like this and then we take it from there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.